Experienced farm workers prepare the standardized feeding program using pre-killed rodents and poultry. This professional management achieves right direction. Workers distribute feed to the stock, observing efficient consumption.
Respiratory function is clear, no audible distress. Scale condition looks good, no retained shed or damage. Body condition score is optimal at 4 out of 5.
Weight is stable at 18.65 kilos.
Length is 3.02 meters. Logging to the dashboard now.
Excellent, that's above our target. Good growth. This is the origin story of Southeast Asia's most significant reptile industry. From aerial views to extraordinary scale, every aspect of this industry's global impact. This display details the commercial scale of Vietnam and Indonesia's snake farming industries. Vietnam's python farms support a multi-million-dollar trade in meat and skin under CITES. This world-class snake meat processing facility in Ho Chi Minh City combines international food safety standards. A risk-free section is designed for optimal efficiency and product integrity. This entrance proudly displays the facility's comprehensive food safety credentials, including National Regulatory Compliance, HACCP, Halal Certification, and ISO 22000. This is the CITES Documentation Center, managing permits for reticulated pythons. Government-issued permits verify origins farms and CITES traders. This year Eagle Wadas quotas.
Container from Green Valley Reptile Farm, CITES permit verified. Scanning now, all checks are clear.
First specimen, physical exam, no lesions, good muscle tone, compliance verified. Next, scales intact, no parasites, passing. Final check, all clear, stock approved. This display outlines critical safety protocols for snake handling, including required PPE, emergency response, and first aid measures, essential for managing risks in this challenging environment.
All right, team, begin the mandatory pre-production cleaning.
Pressure washing now, surfaces are clear. Applying sanitizer to all contact points.
Good. Final inspection. We must maintain these standards. Let's trace this batch. Scanning the QR code now. Link to its origin farm and CITES permit. And here are the individual animal weight records and safety test results.
This world-class facility adheres to global food safety and CITES standards. Live snakes are received and inspected by government veterinarians. Safety, sanit, and badshim ensure quality. Inspection log entry, verifying compliance with national food safety standards. Product is clear of contaminants, is certified compliant. Continuing oversight.
Surface quality is excellent, minimal abrasions.
Pattern integrity intact, scales uniform.
Yield potential high, about 85% usable.
Agreed, premium grade for leather goods.
Beginning visual inspection of processed python meat portions. No discoloration or foreign matter, color and texture are uniform. Probing for consistency, firm and intact, updating the digital log. In this state-of-the-art facility, python meat portions move through a rapid chilling system, their temperature quickly reduced to the required 0 degrees Celsius products.
This batch is for E. coli and Salmonella.
Right.
I'm vortexing the TVC samples.
These reptile samples need special handling for Salmonella. Understood, I'll prep the listeria plates. This screen displays rigorous Salmonella data, validating the safety of commercial python meat through advanced monitoring. This science addresses reptile meat challenges, making HACCP-certified snake meat a trusted, tested exotic protein. Our analysis shows python meat has 28.5 grams of protein.
And 20 amino acids.
This supports its position as a premium, low-fat exotic protein. Commercial python meat offers an impressive nutritional profile. High protein at approximately 24 grams per serving, very low fat, and a high density of essential minerals, an efficient protein source.
The texture is perfect. This will highlight the delicate flavor.
Agreed. Let's try a light herb marinade.
Good. I'll note the pH for the records.
This batch is for the premium line.
This is premium commercial python meat. Watch as it firms up, achieving a delicate texture. This texture is comparable to fish. It's a prized ingredient in traditional Vietnamese, Indonesian, and Chinese cuisine. This is the complete commercial python meat product range, from fresh fillets to frozen wholesale portions and premium prepared products, showcasing a world-class operation. From the meat processing line, the valuable reticulated python skins enter the tanning facility. This dual product model creates premium leather for the global luxury market. This analysis details the complete commercial value chain for premium python processing. A dual product model generates revenue from this is the most debarkashizats and luxury leather. The journey begins with rapid chilling and rigorous HACCP monitoring for safety. Innovation drives product development from kitchen testing ensure company culminates in export-ready packaging and cold storage. We slice the premium python meat thinly for tenderness. Into the hot wok with fresh aromatics. Stir fry quickly to lock in the flavor. This precision defines our snake cuisine.
Welcome. Today we're featuring commercial python meat, a premium exotic protein. This contemporary fusion preparation highlight its delicate texture and rich flavor, an adventurous choice for the modern palate.
Snake bile is processed for use in traditional Chinese medicine. Snake blood and meat extract are also prepared for their medicinal market in the snake processing value chain. This display showcases the global market for commercial CITES-compliant reticulated python leather goods, including luxury handbags, footwear, and premium accessories, highlighting their extraordinary value.
Commercial pythons require dramatically water feed and produce fewer simple protein. This makes regulated snake farming one of the most resource-efficient protein systems in Southeast Asia for the future.
This display outlines the CITES framework for trading Appendix II species like the reticulated python. It includes quotas, traceability, breeding farm standards, and export permits. Pythons convert feed to protein up to 5 times more efficiently than beef cattle. They require minimal water and produce no methane. This represents a sustainable alternative with significantly less waste. This research center documents how snake farming provides vital income for rural families in the Mekong Delta.
The data shows a 30% in household snakes globally.
This data illustrates how regulated commercial farming of reticulated pythons in Southeast Asia has stabilized and increased wild populations by reducing pressure from wild collection. This data reveals the extraordinary scale of the commercial snake meat market in Asia, with massive consumption in Vietnam, China, and Indonesia. This Southeast industries in diaspora in Europe and North America.
This farm changed everything. It's our pride, our income.
Yes, we breed them carefully, legally.
The snakes are cool. We learn a lot.
It's a good life now thanks to this.
This is the 2025 Commercial Snake Protein Innovation Display at a Southeast Asian research center. Emerging applications include isolates for functional foods, collagen for beauty, and meat extract for wellness.
This dish connects our 1,000-year tradition of honoring the snake as sacred to modern phytist farming in the Gawapon del Tautu, linking ancient heritage with world-class food safety.